Good morning children. I hope class 8 children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. As we have been doing exercise 20A and already few questions we have solved. Up to question number 6 already we had done. Today in this class we are going to see question number 7. So again before starting one request will be there. You need to find out similar question from your book and you need to solve those questions, because each and every question, if it will be solved, that will not be possible to complete your syllabus before exam. So you need to solve question by saying either example or what question I have solved, that is required to be watched again and again. Try to learn and then you try to solve, so that we will be able to complete our syllabus in time. So today's question we have, just you see, the size of a matchbox is 4 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter and 1.5 centimeter. This is the dimension has been given of matchbox, 4 centimeter into 2.5 centimeter and 1.5 centimeter. What is the volume of a packet containing 144 such matchboxes? So this has been given that one matchbox is having dimension this. So for 144 matchbox we need to find out how many such packets can be placed in a carton of size 1.5 meter into 84 centimeter into 60 centimeter. That is another question. You need to find out one packet, suppose what volume it will contain, and that packet is required to be replaced in cartoon. So in cartoon, if you are putting how many such packet can be placed, that you need to find out. So here we will start. Just you see, suppose this in this shape you have your matchbox, which is having dimensions length 4 centimeter, breadth 2.5 centimeter and height is 1.5 centimeter. Suppose this is your matchbox. This is your matchbox. So in this shape you have, and dimension has been given. Now you need to find out the volume of this matchbox. So how we will find out the volume of this matchbox? We know the formula. Volume of matchbox is length into breadth into height, L into B into H. So all the dimensions has been given, length, breadth and height. So just you need to write down 4 into 2.5 into 1.5. And now simplification, you know how it to be done. See, 2.5 has been written. So you try to understand, because this is very important and so easy it is. Suppose you have 4 into 2.5 into 1.5. So how we will solve? Simply either you can multiply, so easy it is to be multiplied, or if you are simplifying in this way, 4 into 2.5 can be written as 25 divided by, after decimal we have one digit, so we will write 10 over here. In the same way, 15 divided by, after decimal how many digit we have? 1, so we will write 10 over here. And now simplification is there, just you cancel this. 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10 and 5 5 ja 25. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 1 ja 2 and 2 1 ja 2. So what we have got? 15 centimeter cubed. So this is the volume. This we have got. Volume we have got. Now if 144 such packets you will be, such matchbox you will have, so what volume it will be? Just you need to multiply. Suppose one matchbox having volume 15 centimeter cube. So for 144 such matchboxes, what volume you will have? Just you need to multiply 144 into 15. So you will get 2110 centimeter cube. So one packet is having volume 2110 centimeter cube. Now here you see another question you have, second part of the question you have, that packet is required to be placed in a cartoon having dimension 1.5 meter length, 84 centimeter breadth and 60 centimeter height. So how many such packets you can place on this cartoon? you need to find out. And for this, what you need to know, the volume of the cartoon. So just you find out volume of the cartoon and you divide by volume of one packet. Already we have found out volume of one packet. So simply what we will write, volume of the cartoon divided by volume of one packet. Volume of cartoon will be again length into breadth into height. So 1.5 meter we had. That is very important to remember, because if in meter it has been given, that is required to be converted into centimeter. So it was 1.5 meter. So if you want to convert this into centimeter, what we will do, 1.5 into 100, it means 1. Just how we will multiply, just you see, just you multiply by 100 without decimal, it will be 1500. Now you see after decimal how many digit we have, 1. So here we will put decimal. So finally what we have got, 150. So this 150 has been written, 84 and 60, and divided by volume of one packet, already we have found out 2160, that is required to be written. Now simple simplification is there. Just you if you know the table, I think easily, very easily you will be able to simplify this. So here you see, suppose 150 into 60, 150 into 84 into 60 divided by 2160. So how in easy way we will cancel this, just you see. First of all, extreme right side, if 0 is there, that can be cancelled directly in this way. Then 6 1 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18, and 6 6 ja 36. Then 12 3 ja 36, 12 7 ja 84. That has been done. Then 3 1 ja 3, and 3 5 ja 15, and 0. What is left? 50 into 7, and that is 350. So in this way you need to solve the question. I hope you understood. So similar question you need to find out from the book, and you need to solve, and even remaining question you must try and you must solve. And if remaining question will be there, if you will not be able to solve, next day we will see important question from this exercise and we will solve. And till then, thank you.